Welcome back, boys and girls. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego car. Let's get a 1x4 and put a 1x3 right on top of it like this. A 1x1 right here. And a tile, 1x2 tile right here. And place it on this side. And repeat that one more time, but put it on this side. Let's get a 2x8 and put the steering wheel on the fifth stud to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. And then get your wheels and put it right here. Let's start off by getting these two pieces and placing a 1x2 tile right here. And then get the studs on the side piece, get a 1x2 and place it in the middle. Then get two 1x1 red tiles, place it right here. And two 1x1 tiles right here. Then get this piece and place it like this. It should look like this. And bring the thing that you just built and place it right here. Like that. Next, get a 2x3 and place this right here. Then get the studs on the side piece, put it right here. And then get two clear studs. And this 1x2 tile. You could put a license plate or just a tile. And get two 1x1 tiles right here. And place it right over here. Next, get a 2x4 and then place a 1x2 right here. And 1x2 right here. And then connect this right here. And then get these two pieces and place it right here. And right here. Like this. And place the wheels right here. Next, get a 1x4 and place a tile right in the middle. Then get a 1x2 right here and the other two pieces. One on this side and the other on the other side. The next step is to get the pieces you assembled earlier and place it right here. And the other piece right here. The final step is to get a window and a 1x4. Like this. And put it right here. And you're done. Until next time.